Like, why you so obsessed with me? Keep it on the low. Explain that you're upset